Hi my friends and everybody. Welcome to GMK World channel. Today's, we will show you new Gundam plastic models as release on May 2023. Gunpla Lineup May 2023. HG1 144th, RX 7702 Guncannon, Cucuruz Doan's Island version, price 2,530 yen, tax included. HG1 144th, Heindree Sturm, price 1,760 yen, tax included. Finally, this is Gunpla Lineup May 2023, release info by bandai-hobby.net. For more information, go to https://bandai-hobby.net/schedule/202305. Thanks for watching. For news and more information about Gundam plastic models kits, please subscribe our GMK World channel.